Okay, so now this pop-up is came. Now what should we do here? Let me just explain you that. Uh, First, whenever we reach to the half of the progress, so this two pop-up is coming. This one pop-up is coming with the two files. Okay, there are the two directories are given, and what is this directories are saying that. So let me explain you that what we have to do first. Execute configuration script. So first go to this script, just copying this and go to the your Oracle Linux and just open the new terminal, new tab, sorry, yeah, that is terminal only I can say. Fine. So in new terminal, we have to run this script from the root user. Okay. So I'm just log into the root. I'm at root only. Again, for clarification, check that we are at the root user only. Just paste that. I'm copying again. Shift Control C. Shift Control V. Why it's not working? I don't know that. Okay, it's not copying, so let me type manually. U01 app aura inventory. So U01 app aura inventory and orainstRoot.sh. Okay, fine. orainstRoot.sh. That's perfect. Second one is U01 app Oracle. Shift Control C. Let me try if it's work. It's not working. I need to type it manually only. Root.sh I have to run. So U01 app Oracle, then product 19.0.0 db home and root.sh. Again I'm checking that we are at perfect path. Right. Enter the enter. Perfect. Enter the full parameter of the local bean directory. Just enter it. Fine.